Welcome back to Night Stream. So we have more Doc news. Are you sick of it yet? With Shroud's opinion. I did a video, you know, people are always asking Shroud's opinion on things because I used to play games back in 2020-ish or so. Shroud's one of the only streamers I actually enjoy watching. So, and his opinions always seem pretty based. But let's check it out. Of course, all this drama. I'm getting all the drama from Deserto. Sue me. But take a look. Shroud believes Dr. Disrespect won't return after his scandal. He's out of our scene. Shroud is convinced Dr. Disrespect is done for good in light of the disgraced streamer's scandal. Having admitted to talking with a minor, Shroud believes there's no coming back, and Doc is out of our scene forever. In 2020, Dr. Disrespect was mysteriously slapped with a permanent ban on Twitch. The reasoning of such ban finally came to light in 2024 as former Twitch staff spilled the beans on Doc, real name Guy Beam, and his interactions with a minor on the streaming platform. And I say this in my last video about this whole situation is why. You're a grown man with a family and a wife. The only time you're talking to a woman, to a grown adult, that I say, is on business transactions. Right? Okay, sponsorships, product, marketing. What are we doing here? That's the only, like, moving on. Dr. Disrespect soon admitted as much was subsequently removed from the Midnight Society. Yep, Midnight Society removed him. The gaming studio he co-founded. Sponsors are cutting ties. Lifetime friends stood against his actions. I wouldn't say, or I'm sorry, longtime friends stood against his actions, of course, naturally. Amid the fallout, Doc revealed his plans to take an indefinite break from streaming space despite the lengthy statement, assuring he'll be back in due time. For Shroud's money, it doesn't seem an eventual return in the cards. The actual FPS phenom and multi-time championship argues, yeah, Shroud's just crazy, awesome. If you watch his clips, especially in the CS:GO days, early Apex Season 1 with the, what was the meta? Shotgun. It was the shotgun and the wingman. Really entertaining to watch Shroud just decimate. But anyways, Champion argues it's a matter of age and public sentiment that'll keep Dr. Disrespect off the internet for good. Let's hear what he has to say.
Would have been like the worst thing. The worst thing would have been letting these people like support him blindly. People like, you know, everyone that's got his back, right? Everyone that's got his back, all like the streamers and stuff. That would have been the worst if he just like went quiet and he just allowed all these people to support him without having any information.
Yeah.
So for him to
brings up a good point.
What he did, what the rumor was, that we don't know the context, we don't know how far it went. Doesn't matter.
We don't. But he's right, and it doesn't matter.
It's admit to, right choice for admitting it.
Yes.
And we'll see if he ever comes back. You know.
It's hard. It's going to be hard to come back from this.
His plan is to hopefully. I don't think so. I don't think he comes back, man. He's old. He's old, dude. He's fucking 40, like 44 years old or 42. Like, what is he gonna disappear for 4 years?
I'm 39, so it's I feel the age thing, but
nah. I think he might.
He brings up a very good.
Might just say fuck it and go find something else to do.
Well, not only that, you know, being at, yeah, you can't. You know, the point being is, you know, Doc's made a lot of money with his sponsorships and everything like that. So, and especially at this point, like he said, what are you gonna? You dip out for 3 years, 4 years. Like you made your money, right? That's one thing, right? Because unless you live under a rock, you know, money's basically everything. You know, unfortunately, make your life about it, sure. But I don't see how he I don't really see how Doc comes back from this. let's continue on to the rest of the article. Well, the nature of any relationship offline remains nebulous. Ooh, I like that word. Shroud and Dr. Disrespect have certainly streamed together a great deal over the years with friendly banter along the way. The two often took shots at one another online through their time playing. Yeah, H1Z1 and PUBG. I would watch these guys play PUBG together and a little bit of H1Z1. And I really enjoyed it. I mean, we're talking, gosh, years before 2020. I'm thinking like, when? Well, that's when I kind of watched these two guys together. Even Doc. I haven't watched Doc stream, and I couldn't tell you. Many other hit shooters, the two even once collaborated on a Battle Royale project together. Discussing his former content creator pal amid the fallout, Shroud admit Doc was right for doing one thing: coming clean amid the accusations and not leaving fans in the dark. Yeah, take responsibility. You effed up, man. And it's just so dumb. It's just so stupid. What a freaking waste. You have everything, man. You have fans, family, money. It's not hard to make a good decision, man. Like, it's honestly just disappointing, to say the least, and it's disgusting. Unfortunately, I think he made the right choice. Shroud began. Him admitting it was the best course of action. What he did was absolutely effed up. But him admitting to it, at least, the worst thing he could have done is keep it going. That would have been the worst. Yes. If Beam had remained silent, not addressed the allegations leveled against him, quote, all these people who support him, unquote, would have been left without, quote, any information, unquote, Shroud argued. So from that angle, appreciates the conversational controversial figure speaking up. I'm so sorry, guys. Controversial figure speaking up, but he strongly believes it'll be the last we hear. We don't know the context. We don't know how far it went, but that doesn't matter. That's irrelevant. Shroud added. But what matters is he admitted to it, and we'll see if he ever comes back. I don't think so. I don't think he comes back. I don't think he comes back either. Like, some people are saying, all right, release the whispers. Let's see what you were saying. But legally, he might not be able to at this point, because I think they went to court for something like this. Although Dr. Disrespect claimed he'd return after extended vacation with his family, Shroud thinks it's time for him to step away once and for all. Firstly, he's old. Yep, Shroud said he's 42 years old. Was he going to disappear for 4 years and hope the internet forgets about it? It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. I think he might just say F it and find something else to do. I think he's out of our scene. Sponsors out of the picture, multiple companies and high-profile brands assuring they won't work with him again, not to mention former friends speaking against him. His actions, Dr. Disrespect does eventually return, he'd effectively be on his own. Everyone dipped. Yeah. Yeah, you can't be. This is what happens, man. Oh, how the mighty falls. So, what do you guys think? Do you think the Doc can come back from this? I don't think so. I really don't. Between the stuff that has happened in the past, the IRL stuff in the bathroom, so stupid. Come on, man. This stuff talking to a girl that he says, a minor, by the way, that like kind of went to that spot. Like, I don't know. But hey, you made it this far. I appreciate you guys very much. Almost at 2K. Almost at 2K subs. And let me know down in the comments. A lot of you guys really keep it very, very decent discourse. No one's really fighting. Everyone's bring up good opinions and whatnot. Please keep it that way. Life's too short to be a keyboard warrior. But I appreciate you guys. That's some news. See you soon.